Hello student, this is question from class 10th, chapter 8. Given tan A is equal to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratio of angle A. Now let us write down first what we have been given. We have been given that tan A is equal to 4 by 3. And we know tan is equal to perpendicular by base. So let us first of all draw our triangle ABC and it is right angle at B. So we have ABC right angle, it is right angle at B. This is angle A. We know side opposite to angle A is perpendicular. Here our perpendicular is 4. We have been given ratio. So we can write it as 4K and this is our base AB and that is given 3. So we will write it as 3K. Now we have to find AC. We know side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. This is our AC. We have to find out AC. We can find hypotenuse easily by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write it as hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So our hypotenuse here is AC, that is AC square, and our perpendicular here is 4K. So we will write as 4K whole square plus our base is 3, so it is 3K whole square. Now we will have 16K square plus 9K square and we will have 25K square. So our AC square is 25K square. So our AC will be square root of 25 is 5, so it will be 5K. Now once we have our hypotenuse, we can easily find out other trigonometric ratios. So we know sin A. We know sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So our perpendicular here is 4K. So we will write at 4K and hypotenuse is 5K. So it is 5K. K cancels here and we will have 4 by 5. And we know reciprocal of sin A is cosec A. Right? So cosec A. So it will be reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. Now we can find cos A. Cos A we know is base by hypotenuse and we know our base here is 3K. So we will write here as 3K and hypotenuse is 5K. K cancels here and we have 3 by 5. Okay. Now reciprocal of cos A is sec A. So our cos A is 3 by 5. So our sec A will be 5 by 3. Now we have been given our tan A. Our tan A we have been given is 4 by 3. So our cotangent A, that is reciprocal of tangent A, it will be 3 by 4. So this is our trigonometric values of angle, ratios of angle A. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.